PTC is proud to introduce Creo 10 and Creo Plus, the latest versions of our award-winning, powerful, yet easy-to-use CAD system. Creo helps you deliver your best designs in less time with new composites tools, enhancements to design for electrification, MVD, ergonomics design, simulation-driven design, and manufacturing. PTC is also excited to introduce Creo Plus, a SaaS product with all the capability of Creo 10, plus innovative cloud-based tools for real-time collaboration and streamlined license management and deployment. With every release, Creo introduces improvements to make design engineers more productive every day, including updates inspired by you, our customers. Creo now includes multi-body enhancements, including Boolean and split operations, as well as tools for restructuring and reordering an assembly. And there are improvements to part modeling tools, including Sketcher, divide surfaces, holes, pattern, and freestyle. You can now use Creo to design with composite materials to ensure a strong but lightweight product. There are several features that include ply definitions, flat ply contours, and automated ply book generation. Create solid geometry representing the composite shape with accurate mass properties of the resulting geometry. Electrification is becoming a key initiative for many industries. Creo has a new dedicated cabling tree and improved design tools for routed systems to help you create and manage harness assemblies. The Split Merge Harness tool enables collaboration on and reuse of sub-harness assemblies. ECAD capabilities have been extended, including import of paste masks and better handling of ECAD hole parameters for better integration, collaboration, and visibility of PCBs in MCAD design. Since human beings don't come in one shape or size, enhancements to Creo allow you to account for the range of movement, field of vision, and uniqueness of users. The visual field features now performs a reflection analysis, and mannequins now support multiple reach envelopes. For years, Creo has provided powerful model-based definition tools to give your designs greater clarity with less effort. Now you can relate a symbol or a surface finish annotation to existing annotations in the 3D model. GD&T Advisor and Easy Tolerance have been further improved for enhanced usability, productivity, and compliance to standards. PTC continues to make enhancements in simulation-driven design. Introducing Creo ANSYS Simulation Advanced, which allows for combined structural and thermal studies, and includes support for nonlinear contacts and materials. Creo Simulation Live now includes contact simulation options and improved options for fluid and structural results. Creo Flow Analysis and Creo Simulate have also been enhanced with better animation and multi-body support, respectively. In addition, generative design has been enhanced with new features like rotational symmetry, remote loads, and mass point constraints. Creo has improvements for both additive and traditional manufacturing too. For additive manufacturing, new beam-based and formula-driven lattices are now available. And for traditional manufacturing, high-speed milling now saves machining time with support for barrel tools on specialized floor and wall finishing NC sequences. Are you ready to begin your SaaS journey? Creo Plus is a SaaS product that combines the power and proven functionality of Creo with cloud-based tools to enhance collaboration and simplify license management. Creo Plus includes collaboration tools to enable multiple team members to review, explore, and edit design in real time. Creo Plus also includes cloud-based desktop tools for license management, deployment, and telemetry services. Creo is better than ever with exciting improvements to the tools you use every day, plus new capabilities, all fully integrated into the easy-to-use Creo interface. The world of product development moves quickly, and only Creo delivers the transformative tools you need to build competitive advantage. Powerful, innovative, easy to use. Deliver your best designs in less time with Creo 10 and Creo Plus.